Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Rocky Mountain oils. It's an essential oil. The specific one that I have here is called Trauma Gone Essential Oil Blend. They have this blend still, they don't call it Trauma Gone, so just be aware of that. It's actually now called Perspective, but it's the exact same blend. Description for this specific blend says that it's part of the Rocky Mountain Oils Mood Collection. This blend may help release past negative feelings that are being held onto, giving you space and perspective during tough situations. Diffuse the oil to uplift the mood and diminish inferior thoughts, including loneliness, weakness, and unworthiness. Try it in a massage oil to aid with feelings of deep comfort. Apply topically to your temples, behind your ears, and to the back of your neck to help promote clear perception and focus. This is supposed to be very, very good. It's probably great for people, especially with like PTSD. It's probably the main thing that it helps with as far as like releasing your past negative feelings and things like that. But yeah, this is a really great oil. I really like Rocky Mountain oils in general. I think they're really great and they're not super diluted. There are other essential oil brands that are just really diluted, which makes for more sweeter smells, but not as effective. The oil itself is not as effective because there's more water in it. The elements in this essential oil are lavender, geranium, sandalwood, frankincense, yang yang, German and Roman chamomile mix, and cypress, in a base of 80% fractionated coconut oil. So those are all of the ingredients of this little product. And I don't know, I really like it. It has on the bottle a serving size of 1 drop. You can get 250 drops per bottle, it says. It's got all of your ingredients on the back, which are the same that I just read for the Perspective oil, because like I said, they're exactly the same. They just don't call it Trauma Gone anymore. I love that the website, this is a 15 milliliter bottle, so it's really easy to travel with. I usually just throw this in my purse or whenever I need it. It's really great for like anxiety and things like that. If you feel like a panic attack coming or anything like that, I mainly use it topically, so I usually will just put a little bit like my temples or behind my ears or on my neck. But you can also diffuse it. So if I diffuse it, I like to do it at night before I go to bed or like early in the morning as I'm waking up. And it kind of just fills my room with that scent and with the oil and with that feeling of comfort, things like that. The website is very, very, very informative. So you can go to Rocky Mountain. Actually, the website is right here. It's rmoils.com. And like I said, the name is now Perspective. So although if you do Google Trauma Gone, you will find Perspective because that's what will come up. Because the description of it specifically says that it used to be called Trauma Gone, so it is the exact same blend. So you could apply it with a carrier oil, you can add it to a diffuser or an aroma inhaler and take deep inhalations to provide a peaceful feeling. So it says on the website, so that's another thing way you can use it. I haven't actually used it that way, but I am curious to try it that way, to basically inhale it. You can add it to a carrier oil such as jojoba, and it'll make it into like or you can add it into like DIY foaming hand soap. You can even add it to like a DIY lotion. If you were making your own natural lotion, you can add some of this in there. That would work really well. Online, it also gives you the recipe to make it into a mist spray. So I guess that would be perfume. And then it also gives you the directions or the recipe to how to make it into massage cream. It would also be really helpful. Another helpful thing and something that you could make and then just throw in your purse or wherever and have it with you all the time, and the scent probably won't be as strong. So it does have a really strong scent. I'll go ahead and open this and show you. I haven't even done that yet. It's a twist cap and it has a tiny little hole, so you can only really get a couple of drops out at a time. You have to kind of, let me do it with this hand, shake it down and you can kind of see only a couple of small drops came out. The main scent I smell is probably sandalwood. It's not a bad scent. If you are out in public though, just know that it could be a little overwhelming for other people. So making it into like a massage cream or something that mixes it with shea butter is going to be all natural, and it's still going to give you that scent. It's still going to give you the same effect, but if you're using it out in public, it's not going to have as strong of a scent, which is really, really good. So yeah, overall, this is just a really great product. I recommend it to anyone who, especially someone who struggles with anxiety or depression or PTSD. This is a really great blend. It has a really great smell to it. It's a little strong, but it's not bad. It's a really great smell. It has a lot of really great ingredients in it, and I just highly, highly recommend this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.